Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to share screen of Zoom meeting in Discord. First, you need to make sure that you have joined the meeting. After joining the meeting, you have to go to Discord. You have to start a call in a Discord. After starting a call, you can see the option of share your screen. You have to tap on that. After tapping on that, you have to select the option of Zoom meeting from here and click on share. After sharing, you can see that we are sharing our screen of Zoom in the Discord. You can always click on stop sharing to stop the sharing of the screen. I hope this video has helped you. If it helped you, then please like and share this video. Do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.